Hello Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today we're going to be making a card using the Inspirational Sketches stamp set, along with the Something Fancy dies and the Spotlight on Nature dies. And this is the Countryside Rose Designer Series paper, which was a demonstrator only designer series paper that we earned during a challenge. This paper is the pink version of the Countryside Inn designer series paper. You can order this blued Countryside Inn designer series paper through Stampin' Up. The item number is 161467. It is a 12 by 12 paper. Okay, I cut my paper down, so this is 12 by 12, but I store mine 6 by 6 or 4 by 6. So these are the products we're going to be using. And of course, before we start our project, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. So we're going to start with the Time for Cake Paper Pumpkin Kit for August. It makes 9 cards and have a Night of Navy stamping spot. You can order the Every Celebration Dies add-on for $12. The item number is 164991 while supplies last. These dies do coordinate with July, August, and September paper pumpkin kits. There's a link in the description box below for you to sign up for the paper pumpkin. Next, we have our mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I have stuff full of new and used, all retired Stampin' Up products. I'm asking $30 for each box. Shipping is included. I can only sell and mail these boxes in the United States. If you're interested, email me at stampwithshana@gmail.com. And just so you know, these boxes are stuffed, and it's a little like between $150 to $200 worth of product in these boxes for $30, and most of that is shipping. Now, this is the monthly host code for July. This is the code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, don't use this host code, because you're going to qualify for Stampin' Rewards. And Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up. And I don't want you to miss out on any of your freebies. Also, during the month of July, we have our bonus days promotion going on. That's where you spend $50 and you receive a $5 coupon in your email from Stampin' Up. Make sure that Stampin' Up has your current correct email, because your $5 coupons will be emailed to you. Those coupons can be redeemed in August on any orders. You can use multiple coupons on the same order. Okay, so if you place a $150 order, you're going to get a three separate emails, or one email with 3 separate coupon codes in it. Okay, so please be careful with your emails. Make sure you save them, because that's the only way to get the coupon codes. They cannot be reissued. That is all of our buzzworthy business. So let's go ahead and get started on our project. We have here Kendra card challenge number 15. We're going to be working on card sketch number 5. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Here's our card base. This is thick basic white, 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4, and we're going to just give that a burnish with our bone folder. And we're going to get started right away with some stamping. So I have some Pretty in Pink and basic white. This basic white is for the inside. It's 3.5 by 4 3/4, and this is just a piece of scrap that we're going to stamp our sentiment on. So I'm going to get some early espresso, and our sentiment is grateful for you. We're going to stamp that down right there. Next, we're going to take some Pretty in Pink, and I'm going to get some grid paper, because I'm going to be stamping off the edge of the paper. And we're going to get this beautiful floral image. We're going to ink that up and stamp it right down in the bottom left-hand corner of our inside paper. Then we're going to take this Pretty in Pink and stamp Pretty in Pink with this same floral image. And we want to do this all around. I'm going to try to fill it up as much as I can, even the tiny little edges. Okay, so that is all of our stamping. So we're going to go ahead and do some die cutting now. So I'm going to get the mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. And the first thing we're going to die cut is the Pretty in Pink paper. And we're going to be using the Spotlight on Nature dies. We're going to be using this circle die to cut out a circle from this paper we just stamped on. Okay. Let's run that through. Okay. Next, we're going to take our sentiment and we're going to die cut that using a die from Something Fancy Dies. We're just going to put this right over our sentiment. I'm going to get some washi tape and hold that down so we don't move it. Okay, so now we have everything die cut and stamped. Let's go ahead and start putting our card together. So I have another piece of Pretty in Pink. This is 5 by 3 3/4. We're going to go ahead and glue our inside piece to that. So we'll have the Tombow liquid glue here. Let's go ahead and put that in there. Then we're going to put this on the inside of our card base. Just like that. Okay, so now I have some early espresso and some of the pieces from the card sketches that Kendra gave us. And we are going to glue these two pieces together here. This designer series paper and the early espresso. Try to get that right in the center. I will have a link in the description box below for Kendra's PDF. Well, it'd be to Kendra's blog, and she'll tell you how to get the PDF because it's a couple of things you have to do, but it's free. Okay, so we have that. And next we are going to put on this piece of designer series paper. And I'm going to put this all the way on the edge here. Oop, not that high. I don't think. Yeah, no. We want to leave the early espresso border at the top, especially since we're covering it up at the bottom. Okay, and then we're going to take this little piece. I don't want to put too much glue and have it squirting out. This one is going to go overlap this little banner just a little bit. Just like that. Okay. And then we're going to take our card and we're going to add this circle onto it. I'm going to put it about right there so it's center in the from side to side, but more low than high. So we have that. Then we're going to take this and we're going to glue this right over it. So we're going to put this kind of low on our card base, but right up to the edge. So you want to get that right up to the edge there. Okay, so we have that. Isn't that pretty already? So then we're going to get some Stampin' Dimensionals. I'm going to use some minis. Well, will the big ones fit on here? Let me see. Yes, they will. I'm going to use the regular size dimensionals because they do fit. One more in the center. Okay, then let's remove the backing. Ooh, it's sticking to me. And we're going to put this on our card right about here, like so. Then the last thing we have to do is add our bling, and this card will be done. So I have some Adhesive-Backed Sequence Trio here. I'm going to take my Take Your Pick tool, and we're going to add some sequins. So I want to get one of these large ones and put it right there. And I'm going to get another large one and put it here. One here. How about another there? And let's do one more small one about right here. Okay, that is our card done. Isn't that cute? Nice and simple. I love it. The color coordination is perfect. All right, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.